let's start with a nice deep breath. I want you to picture yourself outside on a beautiful day. A perfect day where you can see beautiful things around you. You can smell, you can feel. Maybe there's a light breeze on your face. You can hear the sounds of birds or children playing, whatever's in the background. And just see yourself there on this perfect day. And feel the sunlight coming down through the top of your head, and just know that it's just representative of everything that there is in the world that supports you. Divine love, God's love, universal life force energy, consciousness, the guardian of the souls. It's all of that. It's all there to support you. It's coming down through the top of your head. It's your own life force energy, and it connects you to your true nature, which is who you were meant to be when you had the spark of life in your mother's womb, with all of your special gifts and unique ways of being, but with none of your wounding or trauma or conditioning. Just going back to pure you without any trauma. Just take a nice deep breath. Your body, mind, and spirit always knows exactly who you were meant to be. It is recorded in your own DNA. It's in your cellular memory. And as we release traumas that are also held in the cellular memory, you become more and more of who you were meant to be. And your body, mind, and spirit has all the wisdom it needs. It knows what it needs to let go of and how to let go of those things. We're talking negative thought, feeling, and behavior patterns, and physical imbalances, and it knows what you need more of and how to get those. And we're again talking positive thought, feeling, and behavior patterns and physical states of balance. Take a nice deep breath into all of those. Let's just trust your body, mind, spirit to know what it needs as the energy permeates and saturates every little nook and cranny in your head and your face. We feel that coming down. And you might feel some heaviness at the back of your head. Just let that heaviness drop down into the neck and throat. Take a nice deep clearing breath. Welcome the love into that area so that you can ask for what you need, share how you feel, set healthy boundaries, speak the truth with love and grace, and let that expand around your body and then drop down. We want to feel it in the shoulders as well as the neck and throat. And then welcome that down your arms into the elbows. Pause there for just a sec. Take a nice deep breath in and feel that energy going down into the wrists and then into the hands. Feel your hands warm up as the energy literally comes out through your hands, exposing your own ability to be a healer, to heal yourself. Now take those hands and put them on your heart. And just notice how good that feels to be a nurturing support for yourself. And take a nice deep breath. Very good. Now as that energy drops down towards the solar plexus, we're going to notice that it feels full at the solar plexus. It also wraps around to the mid-back. Welcome that in the mid-back. And then we're going to breathe down into the stomach. You can even take your hands and put them down at your stomach. And we're going to breathe into the stomach and the low back at the same time. Nice full breath. Okay, good. Now we're going to kind of witness this energy going down into your legs. So at the hips, you can put your hands at the hips. We want to branch this energy out. So we're going to push down the thighs. And you can take your time. Going down to the knees. We want to linger at the knees for a moment. To give a little thanks and appreciation. And then we want to go down into the lower legs, the shins, the calves, whatever needs most attention. And then down into the Achilles tendons. And give them a little squeeze, even with your mind, just because they need a little bit of love. Nice deep breath, and then picture this energy going down into the top of your feet and out through the bottoms of your feet, and really ground into that, remembering that you're still at that beautiful place. You're feeling all of the love that God and the universe have for you, and it's moving through you now. And welcome it in. Welcome the connection. And thank it for coming all the way down and through your body. Grounding into the earth or the ocean, wherever you are. And feeling that sense of love and support. Okay, and I'll take a deep breath in